So what I have here is my cylinder for my tailgate for my 1994 Ford Bronco. Now when I bought the vehicle, it came with a set of keys that were not for this cylinder. Now this is a unique cylinder that's for the Bronco tailgate. Now searching online, the cheapest one that I could find was for $75 with shipping. So it got me thinking, where can I find one cheaper? And so I went looking through all the images online and for Ford lock cylinders, and I found one that was very similar. As you can tell, they are very similar. The only thing missing is this retainer sleeve for the actuator. Everything else is nearly identical. So I ordered it. This is part number DL15200. I believe I got it from AutoZone. I'll put a link to the description. So when I got it in, just like this, came with a set of keys and this little retainer. This comes off pretty easily. Anywho, this works with my key. Came with a set of keys and works very well. Now, with my Bronco that I did not have the key, I took this retainer off and I pried it off, much like this. I started off on this end, working it up with a little bit of pressure, but being careful not to mess up the springs, because there's springs underneath there. So I was able not to deform them, and I'll take both retainers off. I discarded these because I didn't know the key for them, and I transferred every single pin by pin, pin by pin, pin by pin, to replace every single one of them. And now, with these old pins I discarded, the new cylinder works with the new key. I beg your pardon, the old cylinder works with my new key. So for $22, I was able to rekey and make my cylinder work for my Bronco OBS. So now I just got to reinstall this back and it should work. The kit came with a new grommet or a seal and a new retaining clip. So this goes up with the top side to the window. Install it here. Retainer's off. Now with the retainer put in and secured, the switch goes in. This little switch works by pressing these little, window goes up, no down, or down and up. Now with that put in, retainer goes in. That holds that in. Oh, missing a spot. Missing this piece. This piece goes in right here. So the half moon goes up. This comes out. With the half moon up towards the window, towards the glass, this goes in next. The retainer clip is holding this device in. Still works, up, down, up. That holds that there. Now the torsion or the wavy disc So hold tension, washer, and finally the retaining clip. Compress and secure. All right, now then we'll grab the key and see if it works. Works. New lock, new pins, same cylinder. Find the hole. All right, rotates pretty easily. Down, rotate, up. For $22 in about 10 minutes of your time. Thanks for watching.